So hello. So today we are gonna see a finances and money reading for Virgo and the Scorpio. Okay. If you are very new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate. Take what resonates with you. And if you want to book a personal readings, all the details are in the description box. You can reach me out through WhatsApp or through Instagram. And other than that, uh, it's a general, it may or may not resonate. So what else? Okay, the first half is going to be for Virgo and the second half is going to be for the Scorpio. The timestamp is also in the description box. Okay, I'll be doing the present and the upcoming immediate future regarding your financials and the money reading and the overall energy and the positive outcome. Let's begin. One second. Okay. Present, Virgo, money and the financial reading about the present and the immediate future situation and overall energy positive. About their present situation and the immediate future overall energy. The overall energy for you is full. Okay, very much obsessive about the money. I feel like I could see a lot of obsession over here regarding the money, but I could also see there is an end coming up regarding on that money. Okay, yes, stability, lot of confusions, abundance, sleepless nights. You're moving towards something over here. Let's clarify for everything. Okay, okay, so the overall energy for you is full. That is a brand new beginning for you. It's not, if not, okay, the overall energy is you want to start something new over here. Okay, like I want to erase all the things from the slate, and you feel like you want to start something new over here. Okay, you want to start the new beginnings. Okay, an optimistic beginning over here. So this is what I could see for you, Virgo. You want to start something brand new over here, and in the present situation, yeah, you're very much trapped over something which is in the upcoming days. I'm getting that some cycle is getting complete over here for you. Okay, that is some ending is coming up on the way, and I'm also getting Knight of Swords towards the ending. You're running towards the ending over here. But let's clarify about your financial situation here. Okay, very obsessive about the money. I feel like you have frustrated or you have been trapped. Okay, you want to start something brand new. You want to start something very optimistic. Okay, you want to erase all those mistakes, and you want to carry something optimistic thoughts, optimistic things towards your. Maybe about your negative thoughts, you want to erase everything from your mind or from your thing, and you want to start something new over here. You don't wish to be obsessive over here about the money. But let's clarify. Okay, let's see why the Fool is here about your overall energy. Why the Fool is here? Please clarify me with the two cards why the Fool is here. Yes, you want to start by because of there are a lot of disappointments. Okay, a lot of inner conflict between your thing, but still you want to start something brand new over here. There are a lot of obstacles, a lot of things are happening when it comes to your new beginning. If not, you want to start, there is a conflict, there is disappointment, there is a lot of disagreements in your financial thing. Okay, why a Page of Cups is, I feel like you are learning something over here in the present situation. but you're very much obsessive about certain things and you're trying to learn the things, but I feel like that it's not something healthy over here. It seems to be very toxic. It seems to be very much toxic over here for you. Why the page of cups is here? Yeah, you're learning over here. You're learning, or you're been waiting for it. Okay, you're learning and waiting for the right time. Okay, to earn the harvest over here. You're learning, you're trying to give the best in that, but I feel like you're not taking any actions towards it, but that seems to be very toxic regarding your finance or thing. Why the Knight of Cups is here? You're trying to be patient here. Okay, you are trying to be patient. They are in a waiting period. You're not taking any actions. Okay, you are just thinking about it, whether to start it or not. I feel like maybe people are so against you regarding this your new beginning. Your all our energy is, yes, there is risk involved in this, but still you want to proceed with that. Is it about the collaboration with your friends? I don't know. Let's see why the devil is here. The devil is clarified by the strength and the emperor, which is telling me over here, yes, there are a lot of challenges involved. A lot of things are involved over here. Okay, you've been very stubborn to take this devil energy within you. In the present situation, you want to take up, but you're not rushing yourself over here. You're being patient. You're trying to find it is the right path or not over here. There is a lot of challenges, very much challenges involved in this. There is a lot of risk involved in this financial or money matters over here, but still you have been contemplating, you have been thinking too much about it, whether to start this or not over here, but I feel like it's going to get complete. Okay, this is what your present situation is all about. Let's see why the Three of Cups is here. Let's see why the Three of Cups is here. You want to make a lead. Okay, you want to start over here, but something is ending very soon. Why the World is here? The World is clarified by the Hanged Man and the Tower. Yes, there is going to be a big destruction, big collapse is happening on the way, because it's coming to an end. Okay, it's going to make everything upside down over here, because as I told you, this is something which is the devil situation overhead. It's making you very obsessive, very possessive about something regarding the finance or money over here. Maybe you're in a very wrong way, but still you have tried your best to be very patient, but you're leading it, you want to move towards, you're taking actions in the upcoming days, maybe the collaboration with your friends or something, maybe with your team members over here, but you are trying to change but the perception is completely it's your perception is going completely wrong over here, because I'm getting the Tower moment in your future regarding your finance over here. Okay, why the Knight of Swords is here? Why the Knight of Swords is here? Okay. What's a positive outcome of the situation? What's a positive outcome of the situation? Sorry, my bad. 1 second. What's the positive outcome of the situation? What's the outcome of the situation? One card, please. What's the outcome of the situation? Outcome of the situation is death. Okay, I feel like everything has collapsed, everything has done. Okay, the old pattern is dying, you're about to get a rebirth over here. Okay, maybe you're not maybe it was in your destiny or something like that. Okay, this new beginning is about to begin over here, because I'm getting something is ending over here for it. Something is ending over here for it. So definitely, let me pull some advice card. Okay, what's the best advice for Virgo over here? Because the situation seems to be little difficult for them. What's the best advice? What's the best advice for the Virgo? Please, one card. Have some clarity, guys. Have some clarity in whatever you do. Okay, have some strategic plans over here. Heal from your past. Okay, emotional involvement is should be there. Do not, okay, do not do things based on your ego. Okay, in a way, do things in a blindfolded way over here. Have some clarity in whatever you do, because the clarity is very much important over here, because I see something toxic over here in the present situation, but you're being very patient. Maybe it looks it maybe now it's giving you a lot of happiness over here for you, but it's just asking you to move forward, move on. Okay, do not carry any baggage over here. Okay, move towards the calm water. Okay, maybe it could be the collaboration, maybe the partnership with your, maybe the teamwork, it's not, it's coming to an end or something, but still you're not understanding, but still you're defending yourself. You're moving towards the end only, but I feel like you're going to start something over here. Maybe after this you would realize it in the later days. Yes, it's your passion over here. I have i have got this clarified cards for your Ace of Swords. It's asking you to move towards, okay, it's just asking you to, if you do not, there is no new beginning if you do not move on from the storm and move towards a calm future. You have to move on, but do not carry the baggage along with you. You are somewhere in the toxic situation right now. Analyze something. So this is it for you guys. Hope it resonates. Wishing you all the best. Let's move towards Scorpio. Hello Scorpio. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate. I'm gonna do a present and the immediate future situation, overall energy, positive outcome. If it necessary, I'll put the advice card too. Okay. So let's do a financial reading and the money reading for you guys. Scorpio, present and the immediate future situation regarding the finance and the money over here for Scorpio, please, and the overall energy. You're stuck. You're stuck somewhere and you're not listening to your intuition. It could be a partnership. Something is not right, Scorpio. Please be very careful. Ace of Swords, Four of Cups, missed opportunity, stability, sadness, resting phase, confusions. Okay, you're yearning for victory, growth, but there is a tower moment for you guys. Okay, it seems to be stuck somewhere. You're unable to take a decision over here, but I feel like you know the truth, but you're unable to digest to take the truth. You're not, you don't want to see the reality over here regarding your finances or something, because at the end, even at the end, I'm not getting a good cut. Somewhere you're getting trapped, somewhere your bad habits, or somewhere your obsessiveness, stubbornness leading you to a very wrong path over here for you, Scorpio. Because even in the present situation and the immediate future, you feel you seems to be stuck somewhere. You're blindfolded, totally you're blindfolded, and you don't have enough courage over here for you to take a necessary steps, but you're blindfolded by something deceptive people or deceptive decisions over here for you, because even at the end you're getting a devil card, okay, over here. Why, Scorpio? Why? The oral energy says of swords. The clarity is missing. Let's do a clarification for each cards. Why the Ace of Swords is here for Scorpio, please? Why the Ace of Swords is here for Scorpio, please? Page of Swords and the Justice, okay. Maybe it could be regarding the legal something, okay. Something regards to legal over here. Page of Swords, okay. You have an eye on something over here for you regarding the, maybe it could be related to something legal, okay, like it could be your assets over here. For some of the people it could relate to your assets over here. I have a cold, so I could not hear sometimes even my own voice because of this cold. Okay, something legal, something is not fair, so something you're trying to balance it over here, because I feel like you seem to be very much confused, okay. There's a lot of miscommunication problem regarding your thing over here, or a lot of confusions is running in your mind. Let's clarify. Your present situation is stuck. Could be your partnership, collaboration, could be your anything related to money, something legal over here. I feel like there is no financial independence. Financial independence is very much missing over here. You're stuck between your independence and somewhere between your life over here. Could not enjoy your financial independent or luxury life over here, or your own money, your own assets. When it comes to money, or like you've been totally stuck somewhere and you're waiting for some turning point over here. It could be related to some commitments over here. You have committed regarding the money somewhere, but it got stuck. But in the immediate future, you could expect some new financial, maybe it's, I mean, in the present situation you can expect a turning point over here for you guys, okay. And it's reflecting in the immediate future for you regarding your new financial abundance, okay. I just wanted to manifest something positive over here, okay. The financial abundance is on the way. Okay. See, maybe you're stuck in the present situation right now, but in the immediate future, you're going to gain some financial abundance for sure. The new financial incoming is coming on the way right away for you guys. But the problem is over here. Yes, the teamwork is happening, the collaboration is happening, the partnership is happening, and the King of Pentacles is on the way for you. At the same time, you have to be very careful in the give and take of money. Okay, and I feel like there is no proper financial management. I think that is where your problem starts. I feel like it is going to be in a very wrong hands, or if not, you're going to invest in a very wrong place. If not, maybe if it is in stock, or maybe in some other place, it's going to get trapped somewhere. So I just want you to be, whoever you're going to handle the money in the upcoming days, I just want you to be very careful. Maybe it could be a trap for you, or maybe it will take a hell amount of time to get back your money over here, because your financial management seems to be very much poor over here for you. Okay, let's do a positive outcome of the situation. Let's do a positive outcome of the situation. Positive outcome of the situation is King of Wands over here. One second, why the King of Wands is here? Let me clarify. Something is coming to an end over here. Something is pain is on the way. See, it's showing you the right path, but at the same time, don't get stuck away because of other people's opinion. I just want you to take very right and the very balanced, fair decisions when it comes to a money, because you're blinded by the a lie. You're not seeing the truth over here. Yes, in the upcoming days, monies are coming on the way, but at the same time, it's maybe something is wrong, a bit wrong is happening in your financial situation. So I just want you to be very careful. Don't get fooled by your stubbornness, your ego, because if not, it will end. It will totally end the situation, or your anything it could be, because I'm getting a 10 of swords, 3 of swords over here. So please be very careful. So think twice before you do something when handling with money. So this is it for you guys. Thank you so much. Let's spread only love. If you want to book a personal reading, the details are in the description box over here for you. The personal reading will be based on your name and date of birth, so that you can able to get accurate readings. Thank you so much. Let's spread only love.